Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your iPhone with LG Xboom GO PL2. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is enabled like that. And now to actually start, you need to go into pairing mode with your LG. So we need to power up the speaker. Then when it's on, you need to hold your finger onto Bluetooth button for a few seconds, and then there will be this sound, and it should show up in other devices now, like right here. Now you press on it and you're connected. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.